Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a telescope. I don't get to draw like simple objects very often, so I want to throw one in here. So let's draw a telescope. All right, first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw kind of like a circle here, more like it's like a coin shape on its side, right at an angle. And I'm gonna throw another shape just like that around the outside of that. So you have this kind of ring shape. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I draw everything under the sun, and they're all like in 10-minute formats. So if you want to learn more about drawing in general, hit that subscribe. Make this the video you subscribe. And yeah, hit that bell notification. Gonna go over here, down, over here, down, curve, over here, down, over here, down. Alrighty. Down here, same thing, but a smaller shape. Down here, curve, all right, so we have this simple shape, right? Like it's the same shape, but over and over again, smaller and smaller. All right, I'm gonna go down here now, and I'm gonna put about a box. So I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, straight line down here. It's gonna have some balance, right? Circle, it's on a swivel of some kind. Line here, line here. Curve line down here. Line across, line across. Down, cross here, down. Alrighty, gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna put the stand that it's on, the tripod. So straight line down, over here, straight line down, curve it off, and I'm gonna extend it some more. And extend some more right here. I'm gonna try to make it thinner if I can. And it's gonna have maybe like a kickstand of some kind. Gonna go over here, down, here, down, curve, down here, curve over here, flat. Over here on this side, out, same thing, another pole, out over here, down, down, curve, flat. Alrighty, let's go to the top. There's usually an attachment, line, line. The whole thing's just made of simple shapes, you know, line, line. And we're gonna line here. Circle at the end. It's just like a similar shape to that, almost the exact same shape, except longer, curved down. Go over here. Star. Over here. You know, you want to make it, you know, because that's what it's for, right? You want to throw a few stars around it. Gonna give it an ambiance, right? Give it an atmosphere. Same thing over here. Alrighty. And that's it. That is a telescope. Like I said, it's nice to do these simple objects. If you have any simple objects you want to request, let me know, like a lesson for, and I will do it, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like. Likes are what power the whole channel. They're the electricity to this channel. And that's it, okay? And also, one other thing, definitely hit the share button if you enjoyed. If you want to support the channel in any way, support by sharing the video anywhere. Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, anywhere you share it, there's a massive benefit. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your time, and you are amazing. Remember that, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month, like 30 days. That's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.